Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sale. My name is Tom Photsios, and we're standing in front of a beautiful Street Rod 78 Chevy pickup. Come on up, I'm going to show you some goodies. Keep in mind, Vanguard only buys a car if Vanguard wants to buy a car. If it's not good enough for us, it's not good enough for you. Under the hood, this has a fresh Cadillac 500 cubic inch motor. It has power steering, power brakes. It's hooked up to a 400 turbo transmission, backed with a 9-inch Ford rear end. This truck I would not hesitate to get into and drive it to California from Michigan. It just runs and drives great. Let's check out the body. It has an outstanding yellow paint job. It's all custom with some really nice striping. Wait till you see the interior too. It has the Cragar rims that are brand new, along with the Cragar tires, or not Cragar tires, but Firehawk tires. It's all custom. It's absolutely straight, nice solid vehicle. It's out of Missouri, and it is beautiful. It's a little blem right here, a little touch up. The bed's been all done up, nice and painted. It's a beautiful truck. And I'll tell you what, it moves and it is fun to drive. The bed does fold down. It's all solid metal, not full of Bondo. Remember, at Vanguard, we're dedicating to putting your dreams in your driveway. We want that day to be as happy for you as it is for us. Don't forget to join us on Facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. Also, our website's VanguardMotorsales.com. Check out this beautiful custom interior, solid doors. Everything was reupholstered, is customized. Nothing stock inside the vehicle. It also has lowered front drop spindles and a rear leaf kit as well. So it is lowered and back. Or all over, actually. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this bad Street Rod. What a cool truck this is, and I'll tell you what a fun truck it is to drive. It's super comfortable. The guy that owned it must have been a true bow tie fan with all the Chevy emblems everywhere on the seats and stuff, but it is just a fun car to drive. It sounds awesome. It's got a nice cam in it. We're going to have to definitely do the 7-mile spin out with this one today. I think it's a must. It does not have heat in it. I don't know if you notice under the hood, but the heater's plugged off. But just drives and runs great. And talk about attention you get in this car. Don't forget, if you have any questions, give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. And if you're interested in a car, don't wait for the bidding then, because they usually don't last that long. Just give us a call and we can put the deal together. Wow, that was cool. This car has some power, Aubrey. Wow. Yee-hoo! Thanks for joining us at VanguardMotorsales.com. Stay tuned for our next pass.